All right, this is a 60 amp gouge tip, 1.8 millimeter. Okay, here we go. Wow, that worked a lot better than I anticipated. Holy cow. That put a pretty good gouge in it. Take a look at that. That's 60 amp, 1.8 millimeter gouge. And the tip is no worse for the wear here. I wiped a little soot off of there. But that's from the PrimeWeld Cut60. Get a picture of that unit, please. The PrimeWeld Cut60. Gouging. I never would have thought it would have done a gouge like that. That is terrific. All right, we're going to do another gouge. Same tip. Running 70 PSI. 70 PSI when I'm flowing air through the tip. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, here we go. Wait a minute, I'm going to do a test run here. Just doing a test drag. Okay. All right, here we go. I don't know what that oscillating was. Might have been the tip was too far from the metal. Because the gouge started out great at the beginning, then I got some oscillations in it. I'm gonna let the tip cool and then run another one. That's a good, take a look at that gouge though. That's decent. I mean, these oscillations there, those striations are, I think it was oscillating in terms of working current. I had the tip, I was dragging the tip, I was pushing the tip, but I probably had it tilted too much. I need to go to keep it at about a 45.
It's still running right now, so.
Yeah, that's good. That's fine. Okay, we're going to do another one.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Ready?
Ready.
That's a nice one. Get a close up of that. Nice gouge there. So, here, before I wipe it, get a close up of that shield. So notice I got some soot on the shield. Wiped right off. The shield is not damaged. And the tip looks like it's wearing pretty good there. I don't see any unusual wearing on that tip. That's 1.8 millimeter Orcus. Running at 60 amps at 70 PSI. Yeah.
Start over.
All right. This is the 40 amp gouging tip, which is 1.6 millimeter orifice. Running 70 PSI. This is 1-inch plate, same as before, and dialed in at 40 amps. Okay, just testing. Okay. This one's a little harder for me to run. slide my hand here. There we go. There we go. All right. Now I'm in a straight line. Okay. Ready? Here we go. That was very nice. I like that a lot better.
Yeah, it looks neater.
Much cleaner, smaller channel. Definitely a smaller channel, but you would expect it to be smaller. But very clean run. All right, I'm cutting the next one. Here we go. Very clean run. Tip and shield are no worse for the wear. All right, I'm going to reset my slide. I'm going to do the third one now. Here we go. Beautiful. Gouging. I like it. Okay, I've got the long drag shield, long electrode, long tip drag shield, 60 amp. So it's 1.1 millimeter orifice, and I'm cutting 10 gauge or just over 1/8 inch steel. And I'm going to cut a strip along this straight edge, and I'll leave the strip attached. I won't sever it all the way off, so we can look at both edges. And then I'll move over and make another cut, and I'll make a few more cuts on here, and we'll look at the tip. Brand new tip from PrimeWeld. Okay, here we go. Taking a look at the tip. That is a beautiful tip. And the cut, very good. For hand cut, very good. Top side draw, no problem. And we pull the straight edge. So I'm just chipping away the bottom side dross on this hand cut. This is not unusual. If it was machine cut, I wouldn't like it at all, but it's not machine cut. Just chipping it away. This is 10 gauge, mild steel, running 70 PSI. And this was the 1.1 millimeter orifice tip, or 60 amp as it's called. And that's the top side. And I have not cleaned the dross off the top side, just scraping it now. And that's a heck of a good cut. In the tip, I think we already got the tip in the last video. Tip's in good shape. And if I pull the cap and the shield, pull the tip, electrode's in great shape. Now granted, that was one cut and it was 7 inches, so nothing major there, but still, I like everything I see about that. Gonna reassemble and make a few more cuts. Good cut. Alright, I'm just going to leave the straight edge off now. Hang this out here. I'm just going to make some rapid cuts here. Okay, ready? Here we go. Let's see what we got on this tip. That's excellent. No worse for the wear.